Shalom, everybody. This is an emergency video. Emergency. I said I wasn't going to be sharing my visions and dreams like that, but I just had this dream. It scared the daylights out of me. Okay. I want everybody to make sure that you guys are keeping your mask on while you're asleep. Okay? Sleep with your mask on. Have you a different mask, a Tapi Boca. Baby, hand me my mask. Johnny. Have you a mask that you sleep with versus the one you wear in the daytime? So, have you a mask, okay? So, have you a Tapi Boca, one that covers your nose and your mouth? And I understand that it gets hard to breathe, but what is about to happen on this earth? If Captain America was a real hero, okay, he would tell you, keep your mask on at all times, even when you're asleep. I just dreamed of spiders going in noses and mouths, coming out big. It was like the apocalypse, and it was snakes, and they fused with snakes, and they fused with dogs, and people became human spiders. They crawled in your ears and your nose, so you're gonna need to get earplugs. And they could try to come after me for this video or not. Fuck them. Fuck the government. But please, under all circumstances, you guys keep your mask on at all time. At all time. Mask and earplugs in your ears. Please. You can't feel little tiny baby spiders crawling in your ears. Just do what I ask you guys, please. I'm begging you for your own life, your own safety. And you guys might think I'm crazy. Women, wear tampons. This is gonna sound crazy, but it's not crazy. These things were going inside of people and laying eggs everywhere. So out. Wear tampons. Wear pants. Don't wear dresses. I know Hebrew Israelites like to wear dresses. Do not wear dresses no more. You're gonna wear dresses, wear pants under it. But it can't be them little tight legging pants. You're gonna need some real shorts under them pants to protect yourself. And you always will need pants on anyway in case there's spider crawl up your leg, try to bite your leg. But I'm just trying to tell you guys this dream was so real. This dream was so real. I love you guys. And I want you guys to be safe. And they're not going to let me make another video after the 14th. I don't know if it's March 14th or April 14th, but I won't be able to make another video. So, I believe something's going to happen. I don't know. To all communications might go down. So, I love you guys. Continue to follow laws and commandments. Remember the Lord thy God in the Bible. He revenges those.